Hello everyone, this is Musketeer925, and I'm here to display some of the awesomeness of my new graphing calculator program. The first thing we'll do is graph just a nice cubic equation here, and then say we're interested in the roots, we can use a zoom box function to zoom in on the roots and see them. Then we can turn on our grid and see that the one root is about 0, 1, or 1, 0. That's 1, 0. And that's the zoom box. Then we can zoom in some more slowly, or zoom back out, or we can go back to our standard view. Now you see we've got our whole grid on now. We can open the XY chart and see those, and you can see that I was correct with my 1, 0 there. We can clear the graph, so it clears it off. And the other thing in there is update graph, which does the same thing as the graph button down here. We can just change the window to whatever we want. We don't have to use a zoom box, so we can zoom way out if we want. And now that makes the grid bad, so we have to change the grid increment to look alright. So now the grid is going every 10. And another fun thing that I just made yesterday is this shell, which is just like a regular calculator pretty much. We can do some math here. 2 squared is 16, or 2 to the 4th. 2 squared is not 16. Or we can go square root of 108 is 10.39, and so forth. And then in the shell we can clear the shell out, or we can just keep going down if you put enough stuff in here. And you can scroll up and down through what you've done, all your work, see all your work. Another fun part of this is it's got an auto updater, so whenever I add a feature, you'll see it. It'll prompt you when you start the program whether you want to update or not, or you can just go in and manually check for updates, and you can see no updates are available right now because I released it yesterday. And then there's the about page that shows my info pretty much. That's really about all it is at the moment, but I would be glad to add any suggestions you have, and thanks for watching.